Hello from me, Lazar Hristov. I am happy to inform you that my new book is now ready in Bulgarian. This is my third book, Introduction to Lazarus IDE Part 3. Also includes the practical programming system My Shop. Last time, you and I reviewed its contents. You saw the chapters that will be in it, but this lesson I won't emphasize much on that. I hope that next week I will be able to directly present it to you in English. Let's go to the website, show the last lessons that we are working on, from the second book. They are from the paid part, as you already know the structure of my books. Here are the things that you can download, the free part, and the ones in grey are from the paid part. And now we are currently looking at Section 3, Interesting Programs in Lazarus IDE, or Logic Games. So, last time I did a short introduction here. Now we're going to take a look at this. Just a preview. You know, it's not a full tutorial, right? Because it's part of the paid part. It can't be any other way. About Game 15. Let's open the PDF file. That's it. Here's Game 15. I personally decided to make it with a string grid component. I've seen it, I said, in a version with panels, but I didn't like it. So in this tutorial I won't show you in detail. Otherwise I'll explain it, how this game should be made. In my style, with all the details. What you'll see is the first option. Let's see. This is actually the option, let's try it. I press New Game and click in the box. If I click here now, I can go around the empty space. If I click 10, it goes here. 5 goes here. And here, of course, there has to be some strategy. So you see each of the adjacent numbers can be clicked on. Here's 9, on 14 and 2. In this case, if it's more central, then 4 numbers, right, in the shape of a cross. And now the goal is to arrange, for example, the numbers 1 to 15 in a standard way. For example, here, 1 is in place. Yes, we see, it's actually here. Okay, I'm not going to show it like that. Here we move 2. That's in place. Then we're going to move 3. But there's a catch here. When we're left with the last 2 numbers, we can actually do something else. Let's move the 2 together, so to speak, but this is done in a slightly different way. First, the 4 is put in, like this. Here's the scheme. So the 4 goes here, the 3 goes under it, so that now when we click, the 4 will be here and the 3 will fall into place. That's the order of the first row. That's all for the presentation of this lesson. Best regards.